Hello, Auto Assets here, giving you a walk around this Kawasaki ZZR1400. Absolutely beautiful bike. It's got the upgraded exhaust and, as you can see, the back box here as well. Let's do a full walk around here. So starting down here at the forks, they're obviously quite protected with the guard on the front, but very good condition. Dual Brembo brakes front here, ABS as well. As you can see for the wheels, this is the final edition as well. There's been quite a few wee extras added to it, so we've got these crazy iron crash bars just to give you a bit of protection should the worst happen. Nice carbon fibre inlay here, like that. You've got a little bit of protecting here for the tank. No rips and tears in the seat. This is the upgraded ZZR1400 comfort seat as well, to give you a little bit of back support. Might not seem like much, but I can guarantee you that's a very nice extra. Adjustable suspension, more carbon fibre down here, and the Akrapovic dual exhaust. Sounds absolutely stunning. You'll hear that in just a moment. Comes with the Givi V56 Monkey. Let me go around the other side, let you see it. As I mentioned, the twin exhaust here. Does also have a centre stand should you need it. And the crash bar's coming right round to this side as well. Quite a lot of extras on it here as well. So we've got a heated grip system. You've got the Quadlock, which I believe is a chargeable one. You've also got a wee USB port down there as well. It's a well loved bike, that's for sure. Let's get the bike started up and you can hear how she sounds. Let's get the bike started. It also comes with an alarm, so I'll just turn that one off. Let's get the bike on. Now, just while the bike's warming up, I'll just confirm everything works on the bike as well. So we'll start with the indicators here. Right down the front. Absolutely fine. You've got your standard running light there. A few extras, so the heated grips thankfully are already on for this reason. You have a few options you can go in here. Again, plenty to play about with. Power modes. Those are other wee bits and bobs. Let's give the bike a few rest. As I mentioned, you've got the Quadlock there. Let's get the bike ready, you can hear how she sounds. Quite high, you should be changing the gears. Obviously they're stationary, so but there we have it, the Kawasaki ZZR1400. Any questions you've got about the bike, please let me know. Cheers.